Hello and welcome you all in Lux Learning. Today, let's learn to read words from the lesson NEHAS Alarm Clock Class 4 Unit 1st. ALARM Alarm, CLOCK Clock, NARRATOR Narrator, COVERING covering, PILLOW pillow, SNUGGLES Snuggles, WARM warm, BLANKET blanket, KNOWS nose, MUTTERS mutters, HERSELF herself, ALWAYS always, PULLS pulls, UNFAIR unfair, LONGER longer, FORGET forget, SOMETIMES sometimes, SOMETHING something, FALLEN fallen, TOMORROW tomorrow, LATE late, CHIRPY chirpy, LEAVE leave, ALONE alone, EVEN even, TRUE true, EITHER either or either, GUESS guess, WAKING waking, BEHIND behind, SNORES snores, VOIC voice, ESCAP escape, IMAGINE imagine, HAPPENS happens, WOKE oak, COURSE course, BECAUSE because, BETTER better, RELAX relax. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, take care.